Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. In this video we are going to talk about how to combine multiple field values and show in a many to one dropdown. So let me just show you what I am talking about. If we go to the sales module and let me create any sale order, so let me select it customer, and then let me select any product. So if we select any product, so we can see here this is the product internal reference like code, and this is the product name. So here we can see two things, the product name and the product reference. So the same way we are going to do to show the course name and the course reference in the session model. So for this purpose, we will use a name get method, which will help us to combine two or more fields and show it in a many to one field. So for example, we want to add it here, like let me any code, open any session, and if we click here to see the drop down here, we want to see the reference of the course and then the course name. So for this purpose, what I need to do here is to define a method name get, which is the Odoo default method, and we need to use this method. So here let me just go through each record, and then in order to save time, so let me just search in Odoo default code, and let me copy from any of this one. So for example, let me copy this method and then paste it here, and then I will explain it. So here this is the method name, and here we have we have defined a list in order to save all these records in a list, and then we have used a for each loop, and then we have used a for loop in order to go through each record. So let me just use here a record, and here we want to get a course name, and then we want to add a record dot course name. Course name is actually the description like the course title, and name is actually the course number, and we can say the reference. So we have set this in this string variable, and let me add this string here, and then let me add this a record.id here. So this will just save it as a tuple inside this result list, and it will be shown as a combination of two fields in the dropdown. So let me just refresh the service, and then let me refresh the screen. So after refreshing the screen, we will be able to see the change that we want to add, and let me try to select any field here. So let me just try to create a new session, and here we can see new and then Odoo technical course. So this way we can combine two or more fields in order to show it as a drop down in the many to one field. And then I want to add some more string formatting, like you can add it as simply by doing this, just concatenate a string with this, and want to add a bracket like this one, and then add a plus sign to concatenate it, and then add plus sign, and then add a string, and then add this bracket. So let me restart the Odoo service, and then let's check what has been added here. So after refreshing the page, let me just select any course, and here we can see the bracket has been added and the reference has been enclosed in these brackets. So and then we can also use string formatting. So let me just do it to understand how we can do it. So for example, we can just use this string formatting like this, and then add f here, and then let me close this string here, and then we can add here the placeholder like this, and then placeholder like this. Here we want to add these two placeholders, and then let me remove this plus sign and then this plus sign. So this is how we can add it, and let me remove these strings, and then let me add a space. So this is the placeholder where we can add this record.name, and it will automatically add the name, the reference, and it will be concatenated with the course name. So let me just refresh it and then see the change. So refresh this Odoo screen. So after the screen refresh, we will be able to see the change. And let me just try to select it, and sorry, we forgot to add the brackets. So let me just add the brackets like this, sorry, like this, and then this one. So let me refresh it, and then let me restart the service and then refresh this view, and then we will be able to see the change. So here we can see that it has been changed to a new bracket, and you can use the string formatting like this. So this is how you can combine the values of two fields and then show it as a many to one as a single field. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so please go and subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. This really means a lot for us. Thank you.